Yeah, those will do it.
It's good enough. Here's some mobile one.
The blazing dude.
Chicken.
Nah, look, the blazing wings look the best.
Pilgrim.
We're grabbing the blazing wings.
Cricklies, great value. Lovely.
Are they trying to pull? Alright.
All right, this is the important part here. What do we want to run?
Not Rotella.
Do we want full synthetic or do we want conventional?
I'm gonna recommend not synthetic.
Non-synthetic for this one.
Because conventional 520, dude.
Are we getting that?
Super
Yeah.
tech.
We need 4 of those.
You need 4 to fill that thing?
Yeah, I mean, it says 4 liter
4
on
liters.
it.
Of course, pretty close. So I'm gonna fill it up right there. It's about the size of the box. Must be good.
Yeah, all right.
Oh, we did.
Display.
Delicious.
Delicious. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Saturate those coils, I guess, huh?
It doesn't even look that bad. I'm honestly gonna turn the heat on.
Just give it a
Yeah,
little
yeah.
dip and taste.
Right there, we're at 356 apparently.
Yeah, you need 3.
It smells pretty. It smells
It's
like really
fucking-
nasty
oh, this.
gear oil.
Oh,
Yeah, it smells like nasty ass gear oil.
What's that remind you of?
Oh, that
Take a little taste.
dude, it does not smell.
Oh, that smells
Yeah,
horrible.
that actually smells really bad.
Oh, this is gonna be rough.
I don't think that's what cooking
Maybe
oil
not.
looks like.
It's a little red.
No,
Yeah.
definitely not.
This looks terrible.
Brown tint.
Just get these going.
That's good.
Oh shit.
Do it! Oh my god.
We should probably keep an eye on it at least.
Let's get the fries ready.
Oh, it smells so
That's probably. That's pretty solid. I'm pretty sure you
Got that? No, we're good. We're good. Oh, this actually smells terrible. I mean, they look cooked though. They look cooked and they look fine.
They're cooked.
Just throw the
Not
nugs
gonna
on
be
top.
good.
Get them on there. Get them on there. Oh boy.
There it is. Dinner is served, boys.
Dinner is served.
Oh no, Frank.
Ooh, it's crispy. Oh damn. That.
Some of that.
Don't touch one. Man.
I'm gonna eat one right out here. I'm gonna eat one.
Oh my god.
What's the consensus?
Savage.
It tastes like salt.
Does it taste? Oh no. Hold on.
Oh, dude, that's not good. You should try one.
I have to try. Here, hold
tricks
this.
you.
Hold
It
this
almost tastes like a French fry. Then the oil came on. Oh,
It tastes like salt, he says, and then.
did.
Oh no, she smells like oil.
Oh, it tastes so good at the
I
beginning.
tried to swallow it, but I couldn't. I like instantly gagged.
Oh, there's the oil.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It's tricking you like a fucking.
swallowing it, though.
It's tricking you like a diet
I
soda.
have more in my mouth.
Wait,
not
you
good.
you still gotta take a big old bite out of
good.
chicken wings.
What? What?
I did. Look, I swallowed, but it's not good.
You gotta take big bites out of the chicken wings.
Chicken wing won't be as bad because it won't be so much oil.
It just
Dude,
smells.
you gotta take a hearty
it
bite.
smells like when you have an oil
Oh,
leak.
let's watch Brandon. Here, take a real bite.
Is it hot?
Oh, it's hot as fuck.
It smells like when you have an oil leak and it's dripping on your headers.
Dude, get the chicken.
Oh no.
Oh, we did.
Yeah, we should have put the sunscreen first.
Look at his face.
He's in like full concentration.
How much of the oil can you actually taste?
All of it.
All of the oil?
Oh,
Are you spitting that one out?
This is like
just do it.
Hey, like
oil.
it's straight oil. Straight oil. Oh my god, it's burning like it's not hot, but like the poisonousness of the oil is
I don't know if I would drink water though.
Oh, he's puking it.
I'm not puking.
They're both following. It's trash can time.
God, that is
So bad. Blah. Like, it's motor oil.
yeah.
Yeah. Ew.
Yeah, it's.
Literally motor oil.
Oh man.